Hi, I'm Ramya Thomas from Lifts Trade Private Limited, the best lift manufacturer in India. We supply Cube Elevators and Bharat Elevators, and I want to welcome you to our elevator expert consultation. We make all types of elevators and also imports Italian Cube Elevators, which can fit in small spaces. Cube Elevators and Bharat Elevators come with the highest quality with all international standards. Cube Elevators are hydraulic home lifts and Bharat Elevators are electric traction elevators. By installing Cube Elevators, you can install lifts in as small spaces as low as 3 feet by 3 feet and load capacity of up to 40 passengers, from a travel height of 5 feet to 50 floors. In the case of Bharat Elevators, which are made in India, we require more than 1.5 feet of space extra. That is, the smallest lift size will become 3 feet by 4.5 feet for Bharat Elevators. Cube Elevators and Bharat Elevators are listed as one of the top 10 promising elevator companies in India in 2020 by the Industrial Outlook magazine and have the best dealer network across India. Also, the dealership plan is selected as one of the top 100 best plans by Franchise India for the year 2019. Let's talk about the possibilities. Speaking of which, there are countless different ways you can get your lift installed by any assemblers, but when it comes to providing preventive maintenance and attending emergency callbacks, we care our customers and we provide the best service to our elevators. For instance, if you think, why you should be having a custom-made home elevator? Not wasting much space is more important, within less installation time, in an existing home. Following all safety guidelines, inspecting the lift and generating a test report before handing over the lift, is also much more important. You could even have Cube Elevators and Bharat Elevators in all types of buildings, whether it is a passenger lift or a goods lift, automatic door or a manual door, low-rise independent house or a high-rise skyscraper, wheelchair lift or a hospital stretcher lift, hydraulic lift or a traction lift. We at Lifts Trade Private Limited supplies and installs all types of lifts at an affordable price, within quick installation time. Even if there is no provision to install a lift, if there are no walls, we will fabricate an iron structure and will create a self-supported provision so that an elevator can be installed. Providing the best elevator solution by lift experts in all different possible ways is what Cube Elevators and Bharat Elevators do to make sure you as a customer feels awesome for every rupee which you have spent. You will surely feel worth spending money by buying your Cube Elevator for your home and Bharat Elevator for your apartment. But, as exciting as all that is, it's just the tip of the iceberg of what we can do. All our elevators are inbuilt with automatic safety brakes system, which will be activated in case of any free fall. This is mandated across the globe and provides utmost safety to the passengers traveling inside the elevator. All electric traction lifts are subject to slip in case of overload, or failure of the machine brake, or in case of the drive failure. So it is very much important to have over-speed governing system, which activates the safety brakes, which are fixed on top of the elevator cabin in emergencies. Cube, as well as Bharat lifts, will have final limit switches, 2 on top and 2 at bottom of the lift shaft. Regardless of the electrical sensors which elevator has, it is important to have mechanical switches, which will be activated by a ramp that touches the switch when the lift comes up and down. Even, in case if one switch fails, the other switch will be touched and the power will get cut off, to avoid accidents. Also, our lifts are equipped with closed-loop, serial control panel systems, with fewer wires. In a closed-loop system, unlike a regular microprocessor-based control panel, the machine will start sending dynamic data of the number of current rotations, by which there will be a much more smooth movement of the elevator cabin. Along with it, we can also have remote access to the elevator, to check all kinds of actual data of callbacks and errors. Additionally, as it has fewer wires, which means very few callbacks, with plug-and-play system. International standards are maintained in Cube Elevators and Indian standards are maintained in Bharat Elevators. With the latest technology available, instead of 5 feet pit, we can customize the lift pit for just 10 inches, if it is a residential home lift. However, in commercial elevators and also in apartment passenger lifts, 5 feet pit and 4 feet headroom are still mandated across the globe, and we follow all guidelines. We can also avoid pit and can have a step in the ground level. Whether it is a high-end lift with the latest technology or an old low-specification lift, what looks to everyone as how the cabin looks, and our cabins look the most beautiful. As you can see, Cube and Bharat elevators help you have top-end specified, beautiful-looking custom-fit elevators for any space with any load capacity around by making lifts that any building can have, whether it has a provision or not. Having pitless elevators, best suit for villas and independent houses. Providing custom elevators will save a lot of space. Having glass automatic doors will make the lift look luxurious and will add an additional value to the home. Offering annual maintenance contract and having surplus spares. So, if you're ready to make your top-end elevator solution and consultation exponentially more effective, visit our website and book an appointment by calling us to have a site visit by one of our elevator experts. With Cube and Bharat Lifts' low space vertical solution, beautiful value-added equipment to property, after-sales service, and quick installation, you'll be wondering why you've been doing things the hard way for so long, by consulting many other lift companies. On behalf of the entire Lifts Trade Private Limited team, I want to welcome you to the absolute best customized lifts you'll find anywhere. So, go ahead and grab the online offer, visit our website and call us to book an appointment to have a site visit by one of our elevator experts.